Jack, a funny and slightly awkward uni student, moves into his new shared flat. His assigned flatmate hasn't turned up yet. The place is dusty, with a weird old wardrobe sealed shut with electrical tape. Jack, to himself, brilliant. Crusty walls, flickering lights, and no kettle. I'm living the British dream. He unpacks Pot Noodles, his PlayStation, and hangs a poster of Harry Kane on the wall. Mobile phone text message, welcome. Do not open the wardrobe. Unknown. Jack laughs, hilarious. Bloody freshers prank. Jack's half asleep when he hears a soft knock. From inside the wardrobe, knock. 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 He pulls the duvet over his head, probably a mouse. Or an over-friendly poltergeist. Suddenly, the wardrobe creaks open, just a crack. A cold voice whispers, room tea service? Jack bolts upright, wrong flat, mate. Jack tells his mates over coffee, Jamie, you're in flat 3B? No way. That place is cursed. Ellie, yeah, some lad disappeared there during lockdown. Said he failed his final exams and just glitched out. Jack, I can't even glitch my toaster. I'll be fine. Jack's gaming late into the night, his screen glitches. Suddenly, his character stops moving, video game in-game voice, stop poking at things, Jack. Not your wardrobe. Jack, what? FIFA's haunted now? The lights flicker. The wardrobe flies open, out steps a pale figure in mismatched socks, holding a steaming mug of Yorkshire tea. Ghost, you touched my cuppa. Jack, you're my flatmate? Ghost, was. Name's Oliver. Died during an online seminar on economics. No one noticed. Jack, oh mate, that's brutal. I failed my accounting module twice. T. They bond over terrible coursework, ghost stories, and Greg's pastries. Oliver the ghost shares his regret, no one remembers me. It's like I was never here. Jack pulls out his phone, don't worry, bro. You're going viral. He uploads a TikTok, mobile phone my flatmate's a ghost and drinks all my tea. Typical British haunting face with tears of joy ghost, it gets 500k views overnight. Oliver starts to fade with a grin, Oliver, cheers, mate. I'm trending in the afterlife now. Just before vanishing, he points at the wardrobe, oh, and whatever you do, don't open the bottom drawer. Jack turns to look, the bottom drawer creaks open, and we hear a baby laugh, in reverse.